What the hell? This is made of real cast. If you wreck somebody in this thing, oh my goodness, ow! They're gonna you gonna total anybody you hit.
Look at this. Oh yeah.
Look at the size of this thing. Yeah, you hit somebody with this thing. That's a wrap for them. And on top of that
it's got this.
Yeah, they doom if you hit them. This is Fred Sanford. Oh, mirrors like this. Oh my goodness, is that an 8-track?
Oh yeah.
Holy crap! And it's a stick. You know how to drive this, youngin'?
Power brakes.
No power brakes.
Got the rope.
Look at this thing, man. Oh, Ford, what? Oh my goodness. Y'all see this? All you youngins, this is a real truck. Now I ain't talking about Ford, I'm talking about. Whoa! Alright, too much fun. Alright guys, so look at this guy. Y'all see that shirt? It's a Mopar guy. Mopar mechanic riding around in this. The nerve of this guy. Sport custom. Oh my goodness. Just popped the hood. There's no hood release popper. It didn't have that technology back then.
Hey, no brake booster.
Whoa, no booster. How you get power brakes?
You don't. All right.
Is that an external fuel pump? Look at that, external fuel pump. Y'all youngins don't know that about that.
Yeah, drum brakes.
This fuel pump is not in the damn tank like they are now. Drum front brakes. Show wheel. Look at that shit. Drum front brakes, guys. So you know if it's drums on the front, it's got to be drums on the rear.
He was, yeah, I went up there. He was stating like everything that he done with the car. He was like, yeah, I mean.
Looky.
He looked at everything.
If they hit somebody, it's a wrap. This is, y'all see that? Ooh, did y'all hear that? That is made of something special. Is that an 8-track in there? Oh my goodness. How you youngins? He said check engine light on. Let me hook my pod up to it and see what we can come up with. Wait a minute. There is no pod location down here. It's supposed to be right here, guys. Where am I gonna hook my dongle? Oh my goodness. It don't have one, guys. Is that an AC control? Is that a blower motor? All right. Don't look like I can hook my pod up.
There is no SS. I'm still there.
No OBD. Oh well. Oh, look at that, guys. A distributor with a valve on it. I forgot the name of that damn valve. I know these are plug wires. Man, I ain't young, but I ain't old. I know this is a core. Okay. I bet you need a timing light to just timing on this. Y'all remember how to work a timing light? Yeah. Some of you youngins, y'all don't know. Pitman arm. Look at this suspension system, guys. What you don't see? You don't see a booster right here. I think we talked about that earlier. Yeah. There's no power brakes. So it must be hell trying to get some braking action. Look at that carburetor. Guys, I'm smelling hydrocarbon and carbon oxide, so it's not running clean at all. But back in this day, that didn't matter. Yeah, there wasn't no emission standards back then. Yeah, we didn't care. We just breathed all of that stuff. But that one belt, that's one belt, but it's not a serpentine belt. Okay, remember serpentine belt run everything. Look at the size of this freaking radiator. Yeah, guys, I don't care what you drive, you're gonna always require some type of voltage. In this case, a battery. Yeah, battery gonna be included on all. Is this an external voltage regulator? Y'all know with the cars now, how alternator work now off the PCM. There is no PCM on this thing. So I don't know if this is an external regulator or not, but the older cars use an external voltage regulator. Today's cars, it's not even in the alternator anymore. It's in the computer. Yeah, so I'm telling how far I can go back. This is as far as I can go back. I wasn't around this era able to work on these. Carburetor, air cleaner sitting on top with the wing nut. How many of y'all remember the wing nut? It's spinning around? Yeah. All right. Now the heater worked the same as any car, any year. Okay, likely going to a heater core right there. There is a HVAC assembly, a box inside. All right, I see 4 spark plug wires on this side. They've got to be 4 on that side, which makes this a V8 engine, right? I don't know what kind of V8, the cubic inches or anything like that. Typical horn setup. Remember, guys, the horn is the easiest circuit on the car. But this external fuel pump is really surprising to me. All right, yeah, it has a little arm on it that's riding off of another mechanism that allows pump to pump from the fuel tank. There's still a fuel tank, there's just no fuel pump in the fuel tank. Look at that water pump, guys. Look like it's leaking on it. Yeah. Alright, well, I done touched on everything I can touch on. I'm done. I'm lost. I don't even want to guess the year. Anybody want to take a stab at the year? He still haven't told me yet. But I don't know. Look at that. A real key. Y'all see that? Takes the key to start this thing. Imagine that. One seater, guys. Can't put 3 full-size people fit in here. If there's no power brakes, I don't know if there's even power steering. Alright, let's see. Y'all see a power steering pump on here? The only thing I see running is an alternator. That's running off the crankshaft. No power steering, right? Yep, no power steering.
No power brakes.
No power brakes.
No AC.
No AC.
Base of the base.
I see a control head in there.
It's got heat.
Oh, heat. You need a control head for the heater. Okay, so a lot of times you see these at a car show. But other than that, let me wrap this up, man. Listen at the sound of that. They wreck somebody, that's a wrap. Sports custom, baby. I don't want to put the name. Just know that it's a Ford, okay? Looks like they finna go in it. I see that Prowler all the way down there on the end. What's that? Owner's manual?
Original bin plate.
Original bin plate?
Yeah.
Oh, they go on the. They don't put them on the thing. They didn't put them up here during this era.
This guy kept everything with his truck brand new.
Did he? Oh, it's an older guy.
Yeah.
If he kept it all brand new, of course it is.
Ain't the window stick here.
Interesting. Damn, do we got reverse?
Yep.
You stalling? Do we got reverse? Oh, I was like, you was wondering if it would go back. Oh, da-da-da-da-da-da. There he goes. Damn, it actually had brake lights. All right, we had enough fun for today.